Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to register E-ZPass tag in NY. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official E-ZPass New York website. Wait for the homepage to fully load so you can see the navigation menu at the top of the screen. Move your mouse to the top menu and hover over the option labeled E-ZPass. A drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, find the option called E-ZPass on the go and hover over it as well. This will open another submenu with more options. In that submenu, click on Register on the Go tag. This will take you to a new page where you can begin the registration process for your tag. Once the page loads, look toward the right side of the screen. You will see a section specifically for E-ZPass on the Go registration. This is where you will enter your information. Carefully type in your 11-digit tag number. Make sure there are no mistakes, as this number is required to link your tag correctly. Next, enter the validation code that came with your E-ZPass tag packaging. If this is your first time using E-ZPass, you will need to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal details, such as your name, address, vehicle information, and payment method. If you already have an account, select the option for an existing account. Then log in using your username and password, and follow the instructions shown on the screen to link your new tag. Review all the details you entered to ensure everything is correct. Then submit the form to complete your registration. Thanks for watching.